Friends, now to solve this expression we use the BODMAS rule which dictates the order of operation. First we solve bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, then square bracket. O stands for off. We convert it into multiplication, square roots, cube roots and exponents. D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition and S stands for subtraction. According to this BODMAS sequence, we'll break it down this expression by the step-by-step solution. Now first we divide the values. As you can see here, 6 divided by 3 equals to 3, and according to this step in the BODMAS hierarchy, division must be performed before the addition or a subtraction. Now the expression becomes 15 plus 8 minus 2 plus 6 minus 8. Now the second step, addition. We add the values 15 plus 8 plus 6. We add 3 of them. 15 plus 8 plus 6 is equal to 29. Now the expression becomes 29 minus 2 minus 8. According to this step 2, now that the division is done, we move to addition, and it is often easiest to group all the positive numbers together. Now the third step, subtraction. Subtraction is the final step in this expression. Subtract the remaining values from the total. Subtract the values 29 minus 2, that is 27 minus 8 equals to 19, and 19 is the final result. Now by following the BODMAS rule, we ensure that the division was prioritized, preventing the common mistakes of simplified calculating from left to right. And the final simplified value of the expression is 19. And I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.